Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Thanks for clicking on it. And today we're on an adventure. I promised you there was going to be an adventure soon. And this one is a little bit different. It starts on the metro. And I've got, what? A sleeping mat or yoga mat if you want to call it. But what do you think I'm doing? I'll let you in with a little clue. It's going to last 24 hours. So when I said I'm coming for an adventure, as you can tell, not my adventure. We're here to watch the E24 race, which is an indoor 24-hour race that they've just run around in this loop over here. And recognize him. So I've come here to crew, film a video, and well, you know, also it's going to be a really good experience for me. Sleep deprivation is something I need. Obviously I can't be doing, you know, running for 24 hours at the moment with my issue with my knee. So I've decided if I get the sleep deprivation, that is also practice for an ultra, and it's going to be a good experience. Enjoy watching everyone running. So best of luck to all the runners out there. Best of luck to me as well for trying to stay awake for 24 hours. I wonder which one's harder. So we've already crossed the 6-hour mark of these guys running around, and after every 6 hours what they do is they switch directions actually. So it's actually quite a big deal for the runners, and they've been really excited by it. And even for me, just sitting here after being here for 6 hours of kind of turning and facing one way, it's actually quite good for your back to turn and face the other way. But I saved a little surprise to myself, and because it's 6 hours as well, not just for the runners, it's hard for me. It's my dinner time. Maybe I didn't explain it before actually. This is an indoor running track. It's 390 meters around. Yeah, I think they made the engineer or architect, which one is it? I don't know. The one who designed the place must have made a mistake, because I don't know who makes a 390 meter track. But we're about 7.5 hours in, and I'm pretty tired. So, I mean, I can't imagine the people who are running. I don't know, actually maybe I could be more tired and it's a bit more hard for me. I'm only joking. But I decided to come and get a little bit of a change of scenery. And runners are running along there. Then they go around over there. And then round. And here, there's people playing floorball. So yeah, Tony's doing really good. And I mean, look, it's a bit hard. I want to push him, but I also want to make him stop, and I don't know how he fully feels, so I'm just trying to be supportive, telling him he's doing good, and I've got a few tricks up my sleeve if he starts to feel down. But I think one really good thing I've learned from when I have done these sort of things is to push someone on, is to not have, if they're injured, you don't push them on, but if they're just feeling bad or whatever, push them on, because it's just that they're having a moment of us feeling bad and they can walk it out and feel better. I've learned that from experience. So we're now coming up to the 12-hour mark, halfway through. I'm feeling gingerly, sprightly, awake, maybe not so all of that, but we're going to go and check out the halfway turning point. Excitement. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so I might be a little bit tired. It's 3 AM and I was just trying to do the maths of how many hours that is since the race has started. I think it's 12 plus 3, 15. Well done. Only 9 hours left for these guys and girls who are running, and that includes me as well. But it kind of feels like we're on a cruise ship, because I can't really see outdoors. There's these walls. This floor actually bounces a little bit when there's people running past. Although I will say quite a lot of them are walking, but also the ventilation system, so it feels like I'm on a cruise ship. And probably, you know, like these are the drunk people who are on the cruise ship, but they're just crazy people. I tell you what's been pretty interesting to see. as you can see, it's 20 hours in. Everybody's had like a real tough time. And what you seem to happen is quite a lot of the males, they go out quite fast, quite hard, you know, and they've dropped out or had to resort to walking, whatever it is. But the females are just persevering, and they go through, they stick at a nice easy pace that they know they can sustain. Something to maybe learn from. It's pretty interesting to observe and watch.